friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to hide Snapchat charms. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe 5-minute solution. So open your Snapchat and open chat panel, and now tap and hold the chat you want to hide charms, and tap on view friendship. Scroll down and here you'll find charms. So now open any charms, and to hide any charms, tap on this three dot icon, and here you'll get this hide charm option. So tap on that and tap on hide, and that's how you can hide charms. And remember one thing, you won't be able to remove all of charms. So if I tap on these charms, here we can see the hide charms option isn't available for these charms. Also, if I open these charms, here we can see no option to hide these charms. So that's how you can do it. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to 5-minute solution. Thank you for watching.